Welcome to this shortwave radio channel, and one comment that I saw this week and I want to address is how people will compare an SDR, software-defined receiver, in the audio department like a regular radio, and you can't. You can't. And here's why. An SDR does not have good or bad audio. An SDR will get the signals, will treat it as a digital output. Everything is in there. What processes everything, including the quality of the audio, will be multiple factors. Will be the software you use, the capability of that software of having some form or of equalizer or any type of noise reduction in its software. And the other thing is the quality of the speakers you're using for your computer. If you expect your laptop speakers to be as good as a good portable shortwave like the Texan, H501X, I'm sorry, but remember that those speakers on your laptop are crappy. And most speakers that come with computers are crappy. What you need is good quality speakers. So that will be the first thing about having good audio from an SDR. Then the software you use and the capability of having noise reduction. For example, here, this is SDR Uno. You're hearing a station that is meant for Cuba, which is a clandestine. And when you hear it, this is the standard audio without much processing done on it. But you can actually use noise reduction processing, and you can press the noise reduction button. And notice how it changes everything, and you can play around with the settings of the noise reduction. You can play with the bandwidth. You can play with so many things. That changes everything. So I can change this to 6,000 kilohertz. Everything you do impacts the audio output. And of course, like I said, good audio speakers will change that also. So it's important to know that the software you use will define how good or bad the audio is. So not every software is equal. You will also have to have good audio hardware to match. Because remember, the SDR doesn't define the audio that's coming out. It just sends all the bits. It sends all the audio information. It just needs to be decoded correctly with the software that's processing it. So that's the first thing that you need to know. And so if you are comparing or saying, well, I'm not using SDRs because the audio is so crappy, you need to know how to use the SDR better, the software, and of course, good audio hardware with it. So that's one of the first tips I wanted to talk about tonight. And I'm gonna play with SDR Uno tonight and my RSPDX, and also we'll be playing with some decoding software, talking a little bit about some of the options available for decoding out of an SDR, because it's one of the mysteries for a lot of people. How do I get the audio from my SDR to my software, and how does the software work also? That's something important to understand. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.